Hey guys, welcome. I'm doing a live stream. I took the day off today, so I just thought I'd come on a live stream, talk about some few stocks, what's going on in the market. Just give you my opinion. Probably just be like a 5-10 minute live stream. I'm not gonna keep it too long. First thing is what? Let's say Green Power Motors. So I've been talking about this stock. I probably made like 3 or 4 videos about this stock. And There was a short seller like a couple of months ago, and I have a response on that short seller report. Basically, that short seller report was just stating that they don't think green power is going to make it more revenue in 2021 because they're going to be reducing California rebates and incentives, and they were saying that Green Power Motors only sells in California and blah blah blah, all this kind of nonsense. Uh, and I was still bullish on Green Power Motors for the first short seller report. Now, this second short seller report came out, and I will say that I am have turned a bearish, and I think it was a little bit shady what's going on. I'm not sure why the stock has not just completely crashed. I think today it was back up to $19. So I want to say full disclosure, I did end up selling out of Green Power Motor stock completely 100%, because I'm not going to sit around and wait and see what happens. The report was pretty clear that Green Power is basically importing vehicles out of China, and just, I guess, doing some modifications to sell it in the United States. Now, I will say that I fully did know that Green Powers does their manufacturing outside of Canada, outside of the United States. That's not new news to me, because I think I heard either it was in their Q2 or Q3 conference call that they did say that they have manufacturing overseas. So it's not a big deal to me if they have manufacturing overseas. It's not a big deal to me that they do that, and I was fully aware of that. I'm not. I guess some people or most people were not aware that they do their manufacturing overseas. But hey, you know, they make a profit. They're in a business, and if you want to make decent profit, manufacturing overseas, importing the vehicles makes sense. What I did not know is that there's basically just importing somebody else's vehicle, rebranding it, and selling it under their name brand, Green Power Motors. I always was thinking that this was a vehicle designed from the ground up by Green Power Motors, and manufactured overseas under Green Power Motors specs, under their agreement. So that is what really shocked me, that apparently there are importing vehicles that are not Green Power Motor vehicles at all, and that is what caused me to decide to sell the stock. Let me just look at what is trading for just this moment. So why is it not trading down and crashing? I have no idea. That just makes it even more crazy to me, and what's leads me to not be involved want to be involved with this company. So it's trading at $19.48 still, which is really surprising. So that's all I have to say about Green Power Motors. Next thing I want to talk about is Airbnb. What are my thoughts about Airbnb? I watched their roadshow, their IPO roadshow video. If you haven't watched that roadshow video, I suggest you watch it. It's about 28 minutes long. You just Google it, Airbnb IPO roadshow, and you'll be able to find the video. And what I will say is, Airbnb is going to be a strong company throughout the near term and far term future. Why do I think that? Well, because Airbnb it's just part of society now. People say, when even if they say, if they're going to use a different platform, a different company, they will just say, I'm just going to get Airbnb. It's just synonymous to traveling and getting a place to stay that is not a hotel or motel. It's just same thing as people saying, I'm just going to get an Uber, when maybe they're actually using Lyft, but they will default to say I'm getting Uber. Or let's Google something. Maybe they're actually using Yahoo to look for it, but they're really using Google. So it has become that strong of a brand. Number one. Number two, they proved through this pandemic that they are a strong and survivable company. They basically had the worst case scenario happen to them, and still in Q3 of this quarter, they were able to turn around and make some amazing revenue. I forgot what the numbers are. I was watching it last night. So, the resilience of the company, the leader and the management team of the company. If they were able to get through this past 6 months and still be able to make decent profit, they can't cut back on marketing, cut back on spending, and they still was able to turn some strong revenue. So that to me is a management team that is incredible. And Airbnb is a worldwide company. When I was traveling in Asia, I even stayed in an Airbnb in Taiwan. So they're absolutely killing it around the whole world, and it's like 60 or 70% of their revenue, of their bookings, happen outside of the United States. So Airbnb, very very strong company. I love them. I am looking to get in. So I think they are supposed to IPO. AB in sorry, let me look it up real quick. They're supposed to IPO today at $68. Good luck if you're gonna think you're gonna get it at $68. Just look what happened to DoorDash yesterday. I believe they were supposed to start at, I forget what it was, 70 something dollars. And I think it went up to 180 or 170, something like that. So there's no way that anybody's going to get it at $68. If you do, you better hold on to those shares. So I am interested in getting into Airbnb. I have my orders in already. I have on 3 different platforms. I'm trying to get it. I have Vanguard. I'm sorry, 2 different platforms. On my Fidelity account, I have 2 accounts with Fidelity that I'm trying to get in at. And I have a limit at $100. So if it's anywhere under $100, hopefully I'll get in. And then I have on Vanguard, also trying to get in at $100 or under. And I have a total about, I think, $6,000 trying to get in. So that's what I'm willing to put into Airbnb. If it goes over $100, I'll just wait. Usually if you wait a few, maybe like 6 months to 12 months, you'll see some people take profits, and it might come back down to a reasonable price. But I'm willing to go up to $100 on Airbnb. So that's my update on Airbnb. What else did I want to talk about? Let me see. Hold on one second, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you guys coming on to my live stream. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. Really helps out the channel. Do it right now if you don't mind. So also Tesla. So Tesla was actually down pre-market today, and it was, I think, a fantastic buying opportunity. Let's see what they're trading at right now. It was like down to 578, like 570s. And right now we're back about $600. So I think it's a buying opportunity anytime it's like under 580 right now. It probably has support about 550. So if you put in some orders, getting at 550, I think that's a fantastic deal. Remember, this is all trading before excuse me, before Friday. Friday, the S&P, all the funds need to get them in. Sorry, before next Friday, the December 18th, because on the 21st, all the funds, all the S&P 500 funds need to have Tesla in their funds by December 21st. So literally December 18th will be the day, will be the fireworks day that I think we could see Tesla skyrocket to the moon. There will be some volatility because the funds will be buying, and as well as people will be selling. A lot of people are front loading this. people buying it throughout the past few weeks. And of course, there's going to be a lot of selling pressure. And of course, there will be a buying pressure as well. So it'll be very interesting on the 18th to see what happens. But you have about one more week to get in at Tesla. If you could get in, definitely under 600, but there seems to be some support at 550. If you get at 550, that's definitely a good place to get in. And today just shows how strong Tesla is. It was down to pre-market, and just at the open, it was like down to 570, 575, and we're back over 600 again. So that's my thoughts about Tesla. Also, I dropped a video my previous live stream. I'm going to give away a pair of Tesla short shorts, 100% free. All you have to do is two things. Go to that video, leave a comment. Just leave one comment, because I'm going to filter out comments. So only leave one comment. Also, subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe to the channel, I'll be looking through my subscriber list. Make sure that you are a subscriber. And over the weekend, I think I'll probably do it Saturday night. I'll do another live stream, and I will be giving away a pair of those Tesla short shorts, 100% free. I'll even pay for shipping if it's within the United States. If it's like under $10, I'll pay for shipping. If it's like some far off land and it costs more than $10, I'll just ask for that shipping fee, and I'll give you the pair of Tesla short shorts. It's a collector's item, completely out of stock, not going to come back. So it could be worth a lot of money in the future. Just something to invest in my opinion. So that's the deal with Tesla short shorts giveaway. So keep that in mind. Subscribe and check out the other video. Leave a comment on that video. I believe that is all I wanted to talk about. Another IPO, Roblox, RBLX, is something that I'm really looking into, doing some research. Apparently, it's going to go IPO, I think, next week. So apparently, every single teen and tween is on this platform. Over the past 6 months, 7 months, with the whole lockdown, people staying at home, this platform has just really exploded. I've been asking friends and family, and it seems like anybody that has a child like 13, 14, 15 and under, they are on this platform. It's like a space where they could hang out with friends, just be on the platform, explore. It's kind of like living a alternate life online. And whether you believe in it or not, if you're older, or if you're like me, you don't see the point in it. But that is regardless. That's not the point. The point is that this is the trend. This is what people are going towards. And Roblox is a amazing platform. They have a lot of security features, parental features, and so they're trying to really make a safe society for an online society. And they make revenue by selling Robux. So if you want to buy things on the platform, then you spend real money, and that's how they make revenue. So that's something that I'm currently looking into and pretty interested in. And so maybe something to keep your eye out on that IPO. So I'll just go through some comments. I'm going to wrap this up. Don't want to keep this too long. Eunice Omar, first to the chat. Thank you for commenting on my chat. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, please. Praying for those short shorts. Yep, you know what to do. Leave a comment and wait for the weekend. What time will Airbnb? So we don't know. I don't think they set an official time. But hey, let me look it up real quick. I don't think there's an official time. So if you are interested in Airbnb, just go to your broker and put in an order. Put in a limit order. And your broker will try to exercise it for you. So that's what I did. I put in 3 different orders on 3 different accounts, trying to get in. So there's no time. There's no point in trying to time it and wait for it. You're going to miss out. Just put in an order. Put a limit order as much as you're willing to pay, or even put in a market order if you don't care how high it goes. So Tahan Khan, GP is not for me either. Yeah, so it is what it is. Honestly, I don't have a problem with them manufacturing overseas. That's not the point. The point is that I think they were a little bit shady in not disclosing that like these vehicles are not only manufactured overseas, but they're actually a whole different company's vehicle, and they just rebranded it. So I was always under the assumption that the design, the technology, the design, the software of the green power vehicles is Green Power's, and is just manufactured overseas. But it's news to me that they didn't disclose that this was basically another company's vehicle. Noni, how do you buy stocks on IPO? Airbnb set limit order? Yeah, so I just set a limit order. My limit is $100. I'm willing to spend $100. The opening price is supposed to be $68. Good luck, you're not going to get it for $68. It's probably going to shoot up to well over $100, really, honestly. But if it's under $100 and I get in, that's why I have three different accounts that I'm trying to buy it in. And that's always good to have multiple different brokers for a situation like this. If one broker can't get it for you, that's why you have more than one broker. Put in a limit order, see if it happens. Thank you for becoming a member. Very, very thankful for you supporting the channel. Amandor, thank you very much. Lego Man, what's up? Thank you for joining me. Just coming on a live stream. What is this? I didn't expect this at this time. Just joined. Sheen, are you? Yeah, I took the day off today. Just trying to use up the rest of my PTO time, and so just want to pop on a live stream and talk about some things: Green Power Motors, Tesla, Airbnb. Thank you, appreciate it very much. Thank you for joining the channel. Airbnb is a win-win in my opinion. Yeah, it's a win-win. In my opinion, if you buy it overpriced, whatever, let's say it goes up to $200 and you get in at $200, I think it's a win because even at that price, if you just wait into 2021, 2022, it's gonna hit that valuation. And if you get in, and if you get in low and like $100 or less, I think that's a win as well. Airbnb is something that's like, even if you travel long distances, people want to use Airbnb during the whole lockdown time. People use Airbnb and they just stay local, and so Airbnb is a win-win in my opinion. They just really changed the whole world, really. I like Airbnb too, but I don't like the premium. I have to pay to get it. I'll wait for a dip. I don't like that they have a down round and they are selling to us retail. Yeah, I mean that's the thing with IPOs. It's like you're always going to pay a premium. I mean, why else would they go IPO? They're going IPO because they know they could collect that premium. So that's the thing with IPOs. Like Lego Man says, you could wait and the same thing that what happened with Uber. Uber was a huge IPO. What was it, 2018 or 2019? And everyone thought that that was going to be fantastic, changing the whole transportation chain, getting rid of taxis. And look at what Uber did. Uber went down and you were able to get Uber at like 30%, maybe sometimes up to 50% below IPO price if you just waited a couple of years. So it's a gamble, but that's why I think, like I said, Airbnb is a win-win because if you get it at the high price, I'm fully sure that it's going to eventually hit that evaluation. You might just have to hold it for a year or 2 years. Just think about it. 2021, when we get the vaccine and everyone is feeling good about traveling, going out again, I think Airbnb is going to absolutely explode. Everyone has this pent up demand of just getting the heck out of town, getting out of your city, going to just relax and just get back to normal. So Airbnb is a win-win in my opinion. I don't think it'll be priced. Yeah, I agree. I don't think it'll be priced under. I think it's going to shoot up to well over $100, probably double its IPO price. So probably be at least 120, 170 is my opinion. So I just put in orders for $100. If I get it under $100 or under, that's cool. If I don't, then it is what it is. We'll wait, see what happens. Arthur Smith, are you in Hylian? Do you still like Hylian? Yeah, I still like Hylian. I have over 15K in Hylian. Uh, I'm trying to actually reduce my position only because I could see this being a dragged out stock for at least another 6 months, 12 months. And so there's better things that I could do with that money. So I am trying to get out of not out of Hylian, but probably pull out about 3K out of my Hylian position. So I'm waiting for it to get up into the $20 again, maybe like 21, $22. I'll pull out about 2 to 3K out of my Hylian position, put in something else. But I'm still bullish on Hylian. Their marketing team is a little weak, but you know they are basically a new company, a new publicly traded company. They're trying to figure out things, but the warrants, that is a heartbreaker. That is a heartbreaker. I'm not gonna lie. I had the warrants at about $6, and it went up all the way to $29, and I didn't sell them. And now I think they're back up to like $5, $6. So I'm gonna lose money, lose potential money on highly on warrants. So that does suck, and I don't want to exercise the warrants because I don't want to pay another $5,000 into Hylian. So I'm trying to sell the warrants now. So that's the story about Hylian. Good entry price for Ride, Workhorse, and Hylian. So Hylian, I think Hylian like $18, $17 where it's trading about right now. What is it trading at? I think it's like $17. Um, 1744. Yeah, I mean, I think 1744. Anything under 18, $17, I think it's a decent price to get in. But you're probably going to have to wait at least into 2021 when they start. I think end of 21 is when they're going to start making some deliveries, some small deliveries of their Hypertruck ERX. So you're going to have to wait on that one. So it might be something that you don't want to go full in on at this stage because it's just so early. Ride Lordstown. So what is it trading at today? Lordstown Motors trading at $18. So I think it had a correction recently. So yeah, so it was all the way up to the 20s, and so now we're getting down to the 18s. And I think it could go down just a little bit more, but not much more. I think $17, $18 is pretty much what we're gonna get. If it gets to $15, which I highly doubt, because we weren't in $15. You'll have to go back to basically October. So Lordstown Motors, I think I'm bullish on. So I think this is a good entry point. If you want to wait a little bit more, see if it gets down to 17, that's a good entry point in my opinion. What else? Ride Workhorse. Yeah, Workhorse. I'm starting to be impatient with Workhorse. With that contract being extended, to keep on extending it out. There's just better things to do with your money. There's literally thousands of stocks, thousands of good companies that you could put your money in and not have to wait. Because the longer you wait, I mean, people have been waiting on this UPS-PS contract for literally 12 months. I think what was it first announced in like 2019. So 12 months or more if you've been waiting that long. Well, I mean, Workhorse did shoot up from like $2 to $3. So $2 to $3 up to like $20 and change now. But Workhorse, if you have to wait for another 6 months, you might consider putting your money somewhere else, because the more you wait, you're actually losing money because you put it other stocks that are actually doing something. Don't forget to tell them about Tesla Tequila giveaway you're doing. So I actually ordered 4 Tesla Tequilas, but I'm planning to keep them long term, see what happens. But yeah, I'm waiting for those things to arrive. So that's the deal with Tesla Tequila. Sean HKG, what's up? Thank you for joining me. What are your thoughts on BFT? BFT, I am in it, and I am still buying PaySafe, right? BFT, Bill Foley's SPAC. So it's trading. It's not doing a lot of movement. It got its pop back in the beginning of December from $11 a change up to $13, and we're just waiting for that big pop. And so I think this is it's not a hot EV stock. It's just not, very, very interesting per se. So that's why I don't think it's getting the attention it deserves. But there are stocks like that. Just to look at LCA, look at Desktop Metal. They announced their SPAC and they were trading at 12, 13, $14 for like months before it did its pop up to what did Desktop Metal? Desktop Metal actually already did their merger, right? I don't think it's officially trading under DM. I think uh, so yeah, Desktop Metal trying TRNE is at $24, but it was at like 13, 12, $13 for months. Didn't get any movement. So I think this is what BFT is doing. So I am bullish on it. I think when people realize what they actually do, they're really the thing behind the thing, and that's the thing that that doesn't get a lot of excitement because they never heard of PaySafe. Like I've never heard of PaySafe before this SPAC. So they're not a name brand like in the household name, so nobody knows exactly what PaySafe is. But they are huge. If you believe in iGaming, if you believe in sports betting, online gaming, online gambling, and what's going to come down in the next few months and up to the next couple of years, they are the payment processor behind all these sports betting, iGaming platforms. Also, they do they do all the sorry they do all the charging the money for Roblox, for Fortnite. So they are the thing behind the thing. So very bullish on that. This is a big SPAC, so I think it's going to take a lot of momentum for it to move up to my price point, $18 by late January. Yeah, it's like a $9 billion SPAC. So it's going to be a huge SPAC. So I think it's going to move. It's just going to take some time. So Trine made 100%. Thank you. I don't usually make money this quick. Yeah, Desktop Metal. I think it's going to continue to run, in my opinion. So it's going. I think the ticker is going to change over today, actually. Make all the money back that you wasted on your kids using Roblox. But my kids don't play Roblox yet. My oldest son is 6 years old. He's going to turn 6 in March. So he's not on it yet, but Roblox is making just incredible revenue since the whole lockdown pandemic situation. BFT all in. Thank you very much. Yeah, BFT, like I said, PaySafe is going to be amazing. Zach, a lot of good advice channel. Thank you for continuing to watch my channel. Lion Electric NGA is the real deal. Yeah, so Lion Electric, like them a lot better than Green Power Motors, that's for sure. I'm not going to put a position in NGA, Lion Electric, because honestly, I don't have any money. I am putting my money into Airbnb, trying to get that, trying to pick up more PaySafe. What else am I doing? I'm trying to pick up some Spotify. So I just don't have any more money. So that's the problem. Too many stocks, not enough money. TSNP. Remind me what that is. TSNP. And Tesoro Enterprises. Yep. So I haven't heard of this one. So it's a penny stock. So I don't have the stomach for penny stocks. But what is it doing today? It is down. It's down 12% today. Trading at 23 cents. So I don't know much about that one, but yeah, if you guys want to look into that, TSNP. Lego, are you in healthcare right now? Do you like SPAC LGVW? What is that? LGVW? No, I'm not in any Longview. No, I have no idea what Longview is. Is that the one going with Butterfly? Uh, Leave a comment. Is that the one merging with Butterfly? The what is it? The sonogram company, the portable sonogram. Yeah, oh, yeah, Butterfly. Pfft, I should just read the rest of your comment. Uh, yeah, I haven't looked much into it. All I know is that they have the portable sonogram, and they also have like some treatment or something for the illness, right? So I haven't really looked into them, but that's one that people are talking about. But again, not looking, haven't looked into them. So yeah, crazy penny stock with Humble, with HMBL Humble. So yeah, like I said, I don't have the stomach for penny stocks. International version of PayPal. Yeah, that'd be interesting. Do you think is that very VER? Do you mean very, or I don't know what VERU is? Uh, VERU VRU. Never heard of it. I'm not following it, so sorry. Yeah, butterfly. Good morning. Didn't know that you did. Yeah. So I took the day off and I just want to come on a live stream and talk about basically the two things I did want to talk about was the green power motors. I sold my position. I don't like what's going on. I don't know why the heck it is not. It didn't crash after that short seller report. But it is what it is. The market is crazy. Never know what happens. But that's all the more reason for me to exit the position, take my profits. And Airbnb, very excited about Airbnb, and it is still not trading. So hopefully it'll start trading. Trying to get in at under $100 or under. All right. So those are the two big things I want to talk about. So make sure you leave a comment on my previous video for that free giveaway of pair of Tesla short shorts. On Saturday, either Saturday night or Sunday night, I'll come on, do a live stream, and do a live drawing of the winner. And we'll be giving you a pair of Tesla short shorts or a $69 Amazon gift card. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to wrap this up. I hope you have a good week and have a good weekend. Catch you in the next one. Peace.